I thought he was dead for sure.
Sit down.
He was on his knees, doubled over, face in the dirt. On August 7th, 2022, at approximately 11:30 a.m., officers were dispatched to a call about a person passed out behind a house.
There's an individual passed out or something behind the house.
Is it a male or female?
It's a male.
Are they just, like, down on the ground laying there?
Yeah, like behind the house, through a fence here.
The first officer arrived on scene and thought this man was surely deceased. Lucky for him, he was in fact still alive. There's not much else to say about this one, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to you soon. What's up? Is there someone in the back? Is there somebody in the back?
Yes.
Alright. Is it in the alley or where?
Back here, sir. I was walking past.
Oh, okay. Is he just sleeping, or do you know what?
He slumped over.
Okay. Let me grab some gloves.
Wait, that didn't look like a sleep.
No. I do, but I have to check him first. Make sure he's alive.
Okay.
Sounds like the medics are about to pull up. They can get through here a lot better than I can.
No, they gotta get in on the other side.
Is there a gate?
Yeah, it's open on the other side.
Okay.
There's a open side.
Hey, buddy. Hey, bud. Wake up. Hey, bud. Hey, how are you? Hey, it's the police. What's up, man? All right. He is alive.
What's going on, partner?
He was doubled over, so yeah. Hey, bub. Hey! Might walk for me. Hey, let's go out in the alley. Let's get out of this dirt. Come on, stand up.
Stand up.
Stand up, bub. There you go.
Come on here. Right out there. Stand up.
Come on, let's walk.
Stand up.
There you go.
Come this way. Come on.
Stop doing that. Get up. There you go.
Walk, bud.
Does that tickle a little bit? Let's get walking. Come on. All right.
Watch that tree. Come on, bud. Stand up. Come on. Come on. Wake up. Come on. Step this way. Come on. Step over. Come on. Here we go. There you go. Come on. Get up. This way. Step again. Come on. Wake up. Wake up. Hey, come on. All right. Sit down. Sit down.
I thought he was dead for sure.
Sit down.
He was on his knees, doubled over, face in the dirt.
You're all right. Just sit right down. Sit down. What's your name?
I haven't patted him down or anything yet.
You want to check him out? You ain't got nothing on him? Relax, let him check you out, buddy. Keep stuff off of you.
You have any needles or anything on you, dude? I don't want my partner to get stuck.
Anything that's gonna poke, prick, stick me?
Thanks, good. Here on the way to us.
Hey, relax. You got anything on you that's gonna poke, prick, or stick me?
You're almost dead a second ago.
I guess
Maybe. It's not really bruising or nothing.
that's what it says. Definitely so.
Decaf, you want us in the rear?
You got a needle in your pocket?
No, I don't do needles. Stop.
Hey, partner, what's your first name? Joe? Was it?
Charles.
Charles, okay. You were almost dead back there. We're making sure you're better, but we're just going to make sure you don't have anything dangerous on you first, okay?
Here, let me go, guys. Let me go. I'm not going nowhere. Stop.
You're alright. You're kind of.
Hey.
Yeah, you need those.
It's like in the military, use their supply first. We should.
I'm not going anywhere, guys. Stop.
Yeah, you're in the hospital, bud.
Go to the hospital.
Yeah.
Relax.
Because you was out, man. We're going to get you checked out. Yeah, you was.
Yeah, another 5 minutes, you probably would have died.
Sir,
Hey, hold on. Easy, bud.
take your blood pressure, man. Just chill out.
Hold still, bud.
Can you let me go? I'm not going nowhere.
Just relax.
You need me to help you?
Charles,
Can you help me?
the best thing you can do is just relax.
I know, please.
They got you.
Guys, I'm not going anywhere.
If that person hadn't found you, you would have died like that.
Let me go. I'm not going anywhere.
Yeah,
I'm not in trouble.
some good stuff. I saw him, I was like, damn it.
Charles, what's your last name?
Well, I was like, hurry up. Fisher and Heg my ass.
71185.
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
Charles, you're gonna.
Went up Wilson Road and I was like, so
No.
this turns into the county.
I almost private called you, like, you guys trying to avoid showing up on scene first or something? I was sitting waiting for Richardson. I thought we were going to dispatch on that.
What's your social?
Yeah, I didn't know.
What's the first name again?
Mr. Charles.
Charles.
Radio to SE.
You gotta get checked out. Okay.
Hey, can I get your name for a second?
Yeah, we really got choice in that. We're going to get you checked out, okay? Come on, we'll get you some help. We'll help you. Hey, you're awake now. No, you're not. Come on, come over here next week. Come on, Bo. We'll get you checked out. Just like a barber chair. Go all the way back here.
I'm fine, man.
Lay your stuff on there. There you go. We'll grab stuff for you.
I'm telling you guys I'm fine. Now, don't strap me out. I'm fine.
Hey, you got this.
Got to, it's a policy.
Seatbelt law in Ohio.
Man, it is getting steamy out here.
Charles, let's go in and see the doctor.
Thank God that chick saw him.
Hey, give me that soda.
That would have been a horrible dead body. He was going to die from positional asphyxiation. They were pulling dirt out of his nose. He was in the ground. When I grabbed him, I was like, thank you, Jesus. I mean, I was expecting to like squeeze and it leave a dimple in his skin. Like, I was just grabbing him to make sure he was dead.
That old bottle.